Hi, I'm Aaron Dowd with Archer Services, and today I want to talk to you about our quarterly program. This is our enhancement program that really will bring your landscape back to life. The goal with this program is that if you had a landscape design done by Archer Services, you had it done by a true landscape architecture design firm that had a intention behind the landscape plan and installation. And you want to keep that. You invested a lot of money into your landscape, and you want to keep that design growing and blossoming and maturing into what our vision was from the beginning. A lot of guys without experience, they're going to end up pruning all of the shrubs the same size and the same shape over time. And this usually takes a period of time. But eventually, if you look at older landscapes, they all kind of have that round or teardrop shaped shrub, and they're all the exact same size as far as level and elevation. With us, our goal was to have some shrubs that were tall and some that were short, and some that were round and some that were lines, but we have all different sizes and styles of shrubs within the landscape, and the goal is to hire an educated firm that fulfills that dream with proper pruning and maintenance of your landscape. And we recommend doing this 4 times a year. Have us out once a quarter, that's why we call it quarterlies, and 2 times a year are very basic. All we're usually coming in there is cleaning out the debris out of the landscape, weeding the beds, and then properly pruning your shrubs and plants and getting them to the size and shape they recommend. And then twice a year, the spring and the fall, most people want to do more. They want to add mulch and they want to add flowers and things like that. So we are getting ready to go into our fall season. This is the end of summer. You can see how beautiful our lantana is doing here. And we have some vinca back here and some blue days. All this was planted in early spring, and it's done really, really well with proper maintenance. But very soon, the vinca is going to be gone as soon as that dies back in color. And the blue days, once we get our first freeze, the blue days and the lantana are going to freeze back. You're going to want some fresh, bright, vibrant colors. We can bring those in and plant the flowers where they need to be. You want to maintain that nice layer of mulch in your landscape beds, and that's what we do. But our quarterly program goes above and beyond that. We will actually also maintain and straighten all of your landscape stone borders. We have our professional maintenance manager walk your property, and he takes a full video of everything, and we send that to you to let you know everything that we recommend addressing. And you can address it all now, or you can address it over a period of time if it's more than you want to take on right away. But the goal is that we keep you informed in how your landscaping is doing, so that way when you get home, you just get to enjoy it. But so we'll straighten all the landscape stone borders, we clean out the gravel areas, we fix any erosion issues, replace any dead plants, add new fresh flowers, add new mulch, bring your landscape back up and even better than right after the day that it first was installed. Give us a call today or send us a message, and we'd be happy to give you a quote for quarterlies. Thank you.